Going to sleep last night, all my boys were talking about was that they want to ride their motorcycles today, so we are fortunate that we are on quarantine and we can ride motorcycles. So let's go out, cook them some breakfast and see what the boys want to do today. Good morning, boys. What do you want for breakfast?
Eggs.
Eggs?
Yeah.
What do you want, Kruz?
Avocado on toast.
Okay. And what about a smoothie?
Sure.
What about you, Rocco? What do you want for breakfast? What do you want for breakfast?
Eggs.
Eggs. Okay. What do you guys want to do today? Don't know. Ride motorcycles?
Yeah.
Do fun stuff?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
How you guys?
What are we making?
Yeah.
What are we making, boys?
Eggs.
Scrambled eggs. What's the plan? Ride some pit bikes? Oh, I might ride my pit bike with you.
Yeah.
Get Taka over here.
Yeah.
Bacon, eggs, a little avocado, freshly squeezed OJ, and gluten-free, yeast-free bread. Well, it's been a while. I haven't ridden a motorcycle for a long time. Just had shoulder surgery. So this is the first step of me getting back on the bikes. I'm going to go ride pit bikes with the kids and have some fun with Taka and Kruz and Jagger and go from there.
Happened to your bike?
Just
Falling apart?
Yep. I need a welding.
Alright, my bike is fixed, the carby's together. It was just a blocked pilot jet, so lucky for my 2 stroke days that wasn't too much of a hard fix. But I'm gonna go ride with Kruz now. He's been itching to hit this little step up line that he loves so much, so I'm gonna go hit that, follow him into a few, and then pop some wheelies.
I'm going to try and wheelie from the gate to the top of the hill. So up there, down here, all the way to the top of the house. Do you think I can do it? Let's see. Fail. I'm not on my game today. First day on the bike after 4 months off, so gives me something to practice. Better luck next time. We'll try tomorrow too. Alright, well that's it for the wheelies. I think I'm going to quit that before I crash. It's definitely possible, but I haven't got the feel for riding this little bike again. Like I said, I've been on the couch for 4 months with the shoulder surgery, so I'm going to give it a miss for now, but make sure you like and subscribe if you like our content. Leave a note down below in the comments. Tell us what you'd like to see us do. We're on quarantine with you guys, but we're a little bit of a playground, so if you want to see us do anything fun here, let us know. We'll get in the next video. Cheers.